This is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and you know I'm Rachel. How y'all doing today, huh? Okay, so listen, I'm on the couch as you can see, and I want to talk about what's going on with the social media today. And they're talking about teen pregnancy. My message is directly to the parents. Where the hell are you when your teen is getting pregnant? Oh, you was on 2 jobs? Well, I think you might want to go on 1 job and then check on the teen, and then if you have to take that teen to the job to mind them, take them to the job. Take them to their grandmothers for her to watch them. No, they're not going to want to be over there, but have them over there anyway. And while they're over there, have them clean their grandmother's house and help her out. That'll take down some of that energy, you know, and stop giving them everything. You know, they're not listening to you, and they want to have sex, and you say they can't have sex. Okay. So what is the consequences of that? Are you going to still pay the cell phone bill? Are you still going to, buy them everything they want to buy? Make a deal with them if you have to. Do whatever you have to do to solve this teen pregnancy problem. Don't let that come over into your house, because you know that you are tired after you get off of work. You are tired talking to them, and you don't have no energy to run down a baby. You don't have the energy. And if you do have the energy, then why don't you have the baby and let the teen be a teen? You want a baby over there? Okay. You can still have one, can't you? You have the baby. And, for goodness sakes, try your best to have a better relationship where your child is not sneaking around. And let's talk about some of these thugs that they're going with. You know, the guys that got their pants hanging off their ass, and they got the marijuana smoking and all of this here kind of stuff. You know, is this really somebody that you want your teen to be with? You know, do you have better hopes for them? And if the guy really is a stand-up guy, and maybe he's walking around with his pants hanging below his behind because that's the thing, or maybe he could clean that up if you let him know that that's not the kind of guy that you want your girl to be with. And you daddies, come on now, you guys know what guys do. Talk to your sons. I'm not going to put it on just the girls. Talk to your sons, because they're the ones dropping the seed. They're the ones making the baby. Come on now, okay? You're going to have to teach them better than that. You got to show them the way. And if you can't show them the way, then how are they going to learn? They got to grow up to be young men, right? And I know some teens, they got 2 kids and they're not even 21 years old. And then they think they're going to go and talk to another girl, and they want to drop some more over there. Come on, you parents got to talk to these kids and show them what's right and wrong. And don't listen to that stuff when they tell you, oh, you had a baby when you was a teenager. No, you're not going to hear that, because you know what? 2 wrongs don't make it right. And just because you made a mistake does not mean you want that mistake to happen to your kids, because you really, really, really putting in the time being a parent. You just need some help. So if you need some help, go to a social worker, go to the school, go to your mother, go to your preacher, if the preacher's right. Go to, your other family members, find out what they're doing and see, get some ideas and take a one-on-one trip with your teen. Now that's a good one. If you go on a trip, right, you're locked in. You can't go nowhere. You're in another state. So they can't do nothing but listen to you, because it's nowhere to go. You know what I mean? And just before you decide to talk to them, make sure that the phones are not on, cut your phone off, have them to cut theirs off, make some deal with them. Say, hey, you cut your phone off for 45 minutes, then we'll be able to go to that store you wanted to go to. And then that way you have their undivided attention. Let them know how much you love them, how much you care for them, how much you're working for them. And above all, let them know they cannot bring a baby in your house. That's the bottom line. No, so don't even try to make a baby. They're not going to be doing that, okay? So listen, what about you? What's going on in your house? Do you have a teen that's out of control? Is that your teen on social media that we're talking about? Let me know, okay? Give me your comments in the comment section and let's talk about it. Let's have a dialogue because, this is really a point on social media that we all need to address and address quickly because we don't want this to continue because life is already hard enough as it is. We don't need to add to the pot when somebody is still a teen. They need to go to college. So let me know, will you? And I also want to remind everyone that I have an Amazon giveaway. Yes. So I'm going to give $25 to anyone that have subscribed. Your name is going to go into a bag and whose other name I pick out, that person will get a $25 gift card. In addition to that, you have the opportunity to make another $25 Amazon gift card. So the way that works is you gotta have 5 people to subscribe and they have to let me know that they were referred by you by using your email. And then I will have you into the special drawing. Anyone that refers 5 or more people that actually subscribe, you will be in the special drawing. And good luck, everybody, because I cannot wait to do the drawing. And that will not be until I reach 1,000 subscribers. So listen, we're 600 away. That's not much for YouTube. And I just want to tell you all good luck. And I love you from the bottom of my heart. I thank you for supporting me. I thank you for being there for me. I love commenting back to you and having the dialogue going. I think it's just a great way to communicate. So with those thoughts and those words, I hope you enjoyed our conversation tonight. And teens, remember, lock it up, okay? So this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel, and I love you. Bye-bye.